you can go to procoinbase.com to get into your account. Then you're going to actually put your two-step verification code in. Verify yourself. Alright, so now you're going to get into your account. Alright, so this is where it gets good. Go to BTC, you're going to sell, and then you're going to go to all BTC USD because you want to sell your Bitcoin for USD. Once you sell it, place sell order. You can do max because you're going to sell all your USD, all the Bitcoin for USD. Place order, sell it. Once you sell the Bitcoin, then all the funds are going to be in USD. To get it into your bank account, you go to withdraw, click on bank account, put the amount you want to withdraw into your bank account, and press withdraw. Okay, you can also go to My Wallet, go to withdraw. Now, once you've already sold your Bitcoin, you click select currency, and then you have to have your Bitcoin sold and in USD dollars. So you would click on USD, and then you would move that USD into your bank account through here. Alright, so bank account, checking account, and then you're going to press, you can add a bank account there if you needed to. You're going to press max or however much you want to sell. There's a limit that you can take out up to $50,000, and then click withdraw and do max and click withdraw, and that'll go to your bank account in about 2 to 3 days. That's it.